Hey guys, welcome to another weekly report. I missed last week, but no worries, we're back today. Um, so again, still working on that other video that's taking me longer than expected. There will be some lessons learned from this, of course, but let's go check our metrics. So we're currently at 490 subscribers. So this is the last video that I posted, so 18 days ago. So yeah, trying to get back to posting, working on it. But looking at our content, this video has 816 views, so that's fair. Not like super great, but still kind of reasonable for a first test into product review type of videos. Then we'll look at our analytics. Let's go and check for lifetime. Just recapping, Google's requisites for monetizing the channel are 4,000 watch time hours, so we're over that. We're at 5,000 now, but we need to get to the 1,000 subscribers, which we're halfway through that. Our views have declined since I stopped posting reaction videos and started working on these new tests, right? With videos about products, product review, that kind of stuff. So we have one out, another one. We're working on it. Yeah, and that's it. So currently averaging around 10 to 20 views per hour in the last couple days. Yeah, that's it. We can also check how many subscribers we're getting from this video, last video. So 5 subscribers, 42 watch time hours. So again, not great, but okay. And that's it. There's not a lot else because there's no new videos posted, but coming soon. We're gonna get back to posting more frequently. That's it for today. Thanks guys. See ya.